Hello student, welcome to my class. This is the chapter 2 of class 6 grammar. And in this chapter 2, what is the topic? As you can see, this is the topic of nouns. Nouns is a very popular topic that you are doing from the very early classes. In the previous classes also you have done nouns. So once again, we want to memorize nouns along with its different parts. A noun is, for the first time, just we are reading out the definition of the nouns. What is given about the noun? Noun is a naming word that is used to name living beings, places, things, ideas, and feelings. So, my dear students, you can see there are 4 categories are there, like living beings. Noun describes, or noun is talking about some living being. Noun we mean places. By noun we mean anything, ideas or feelings. So these 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, these 5 categories are coming. Like sometimes noun is living being, sometimes it is places, sometimes it is things, ideas and feelings. In this way, noun is everything that we can see around. Nouns are very essential part of a sentence and essential part for us also. Even we the human beings are also nouns. So let us see the example. John is a clever boy. Here 2 specialization of nouns are given. Like John is a clever boy. One hand we can see John, and other hand we can see the boy. These are the same person, but sometimes we are calling by the name, sometimes we are not calling by the name. We know that John is a boy, so boy is a common noun and John is the name of that boy, so it is proper noun. John is proper noun and boy is common noun. Like honesty, his honesty impresses everyone. His honesty impresses everybody. So here we can see honesty is there, and then you are telling honesty is a noun, then which type of noun it is? Then you can see, you can say it is abstract noun because it is some abstract quality that is describing here his honesty, means his abstract quality is honesty and impresses everybody. So these types of nouns are there. You can see in this given sentences, John, boy, honesty are nouns. So words like man, lady, Shruti, Lucknow, post office, wood, air, sorrow are some nouns. Sorrow means sadfulness or sad. Here you are told to identify the naming words. Henry is a number 1. Henry is a prince of Great Britain. Here you can see there are different categories are there, like Henry is one part, prince is one part, and Great Britain. So here you can see there are 3 naming words are there: Henry, prince and Great Britain. Number 2, John and Smith. These are 2 naming words, they are proper nouns. And here Henry and Great Britain proper noun and prince is common noun. What is the special feature of the proper noun? We can see proper nouns are coming with the capital letters, like here Henry, John and Smith. Now let us proceed to the 3rd number. Mary Com is a boxer. Mary Com is a boxer. Mary Com is a proper noun and boxer is a common noun. Physics is my favorite subject. Physics is my favorite subject. Physics is physics is also naming word, and here subject is also naming word, and here Sanu planted a seed. Sanu and seed, here 2 naming words are there. In this way, in a sentence you are getting sometimes 1, sometimes 2, sometimes more than 2 nouns. In this way, nouns or naming words a very essential part of sentences. Now, my dear students, let us move towards kinds of nouns. There are different categories of nouns are there, like common noun, proper noun, collective noun, material noun, and abstract noun. That you have to keep in mind all the time, that sometimes you are asked to give the kinds of nouns, then you have to tell immediately that I know the answer, and there are five kinds of nouns, like common noun, proper noun, collective nouns, material noun, and abstract noun. These are the five categories of noun. Now, I'm just making little bit summary of the different kinds of nouns, like common noun. Common nouns means when this category is for common for all. Here we are not getting any name. Without names, the nouns are common noun, like boy, man, like mother, sister, brother. All these are the common nouns, like river, mountain. When we are not putting or not keeping any name, it is coming under common noun. And when you are keeping some name or certain name, it is coming the proper noun. Like the name of the boy is John. John is the proper noun. The name of the mountain is Himalaya. Himalaya is a proper noun. In this way, the name of the city, name of the country, name of the river, name of person, so these are the proper nouns. Proper nouns comes always in capital letter. After that, what is given? Collective noun. So what is collective noun? Collective nouns are coming in collection, not single. They are the bunch, they are collection of many things, many persons. Like I have already told, the collective nouns are like a bunch of keys, a bunch of grapes, a flight of stairs, a caravan of camels, a galaxy of stars, an army of soldiers, a murder of crows, a grove of trees. There are different collective nouns are there, and collective nouns are always counting in singular number. Now let us move to material nouns. Like materials are there in this world, some items are or some things are material. Like if you talk about some furniture, then what is the furniture made of? The material, what is that is needed for making that furniture, that is the material only. Like if you talk about sheep, SHWP, sheep. So sheep is what is inbuilt in the sheep, that is the flesh or meat. Meat is the material and sheep is the common noun. Like river, what is there in the river? River is common noun, but its water is the material noun. In this way, one is material and other is common is used. So different materials are used to make different things. Now let us move to the abstract noun. Abstract nouns are certain qualities. It is not visible, you can say, but we can feel it. Abstract qualities, like brightness, darkness, bravery, chastity, honesty. All these are the abstract nouns. Now let us move one by one. Common nouns. Nouns that name persons, places, or objects of the same kind are common nouns. Nouns that name persons, places, or objects of the same name. Nouns that name person, places, objects of the same kind are common noun. Sometimes it is coming up to the person, sometimes it is coming up to the, actually we don't know the name of the places, but still I know it is town, it is village. So town, village, this is actually, we know the we don't know the name of the house, we know only this is house. So these are the common nouns. Some objects are there, objects of the same kind, like we don't know the name of the objects, but still, and the species we know, we can call this is the book, this is the car, this is the bike, but we don't know the name. So this is the common noun. Common noun is a word. So let us move to the 2 number point. A common noun is a word that does not refer to any particular person, place, or thing. So when we are not calling any particular name, that means it is common. We are calling, when we are calling by the name, then it is special. That means it is proper. Like in a class, many students are there. Among the many students, some are the boys, some are the girls. So if I call boy, then any boy can be preferred. If I call girl, any girl can be preferred. So boy and girl are the common. But if I talk about like Joita or Abdul, Ali or Rahul by the proper names, then it is a special category or proper name. Place also and thing also in this way. If you don't know the name of the person, place or thing, and calling normally, it is a common noun. It gives a common name to a person, place, animal or thing of the same class or kind. The word like book, pen, pencil, boy, river, mountains, town, village are common nouns. So I hope your doubt is clear about the common nouns. Like common noun means known name. Common noun means they are the living or non-living things, but they have no name, only generalized form of this mankind or things or others. Proper nouns. Nouns that name particular place, person or objects are called proper nouns. So when we are giving the name of any place, person or thing, then it is coming proper nouns. Proper nouns are words which name specific people, thing, places or organization. Like if you call it is a school, and if you call it is Asansol North Point School. So what is the basic difference? School is the common and Asansol North Point School, it is a proper noun. Like if you talk about player or batsman, it is a common noun. If you talk about Sachin Tendulkar, it is a proper noun. Mumbai, if you talk about city, then city is the common. If you talk about its name is Mumbai, Mumbai is the proper noun. Like if you talk country is the common and India is the proper. The newspaper is common, but the Times of India, the Anandabajar Patrika, the Sanmag, and the Telegraph, the Statesman, all these are the proper noun. Park Street is given, Goa is given, so all these are the proper noun. In this way, now we have one task after reading. Circle the proper and underline the common. Circle the proper noun, you have to circle, and underline the common noun. So let's see, we definitely find some solution from this exercise B. Rajiv and Priyanka are brother and sister. So Rajiv is brother and Priyanka is sister. So here proper noun like Rajiv, here proper noun like Priyanka, and here common noun is like brother and sister. So it is very easy for all of you to do and solve it. Now next is the capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. The capital of Nepal is Kathmandu. So here capital is the common noun, Nepal is proper noun, and Kathmandu is also proper noun. Othello was written by William Shakespeare. Othello is a play or drama written by William Shakespeare. So it is also proper noun, and it is also William Shakespeare is also proper noun. Teachers and students work together for the exhibition. Now who are working? Here teachers. Teachers, we don't know the name, then it is not a proper noun. It is a common noun. Students is common noun. For the exhibition is also common noun. No proper noun is there. The poem Ode to Autumn. So Ode to Autumn is a proper noun. Poem is common noun. John Keats, proper noun. Now let's move to Six number. Happy Feet. Happy Feet is an entertaining movie. So what is entertaining? Happy Feet. So Happy Feet should be circle because it is proper noun and movie is a common noun. Mother washes Ritu's clothes in the washing machine. Mother is common noun. Ritu is proper noun. Clothes, you can tell Ritu's clothes. So clothes is a, you can say it is also noun. And washing machine is, you don't know the brand name, model name, so it is a common noun. So in this way we have solved 7 number, and we don't have many about these exercises. So what did we learn in this first page, page number 11? Actually have learned common noun and proper nouns and different names of the nouns. Common noun means without, common noun means without name, and proper noun means with name and in the proper capital letter. And in this way you have done the exercise also. Exercise, you have completed exercise A and you have completed exercise B also. This video will enable you to solve these exercises on your book. Hopefully this will guide you to solve these problems and your better understanding. In my next video I will come with the next part of this noun. Till then, goodbye to all of you.